wadla imoto Absalom. Aish. Absalom. Wadla ivararo Absalom. Baphela abantu we. Get this scam of a coach out of my club. I'm done. It's over. Chaile, I've seen enough. He's not good enough. Get him out of this club. This scam of Absalom. Absalom, you are a fraud. You are a terrorist. Get out of my club. I told you. Ngintshelile nonke. He's not the guy. It's not him. He's not him. Akusuye bafethu. Akekho mnandi lo muntu lo ngintshelile. Listening is a skill. Stop trying to hang on to things that are not possible. Akanayo iCV lo muntu lo. Umaze lapho Absalom. Nimaze lapho Absalom. Abdeslam. Uwadua. But I should pronounce him as Uwadua. Well, Uwadua, Absalom, get the hell out of Orlando Pirates. I'm done with you, my guy. Chaile, awukho mnandi. No. 2 losses in a row. Skukune, our bogey team. Marumo Galanti, your former club, you coached for 6 months. You cannot even beat them. Come from behind. We cannot even keep a clean sheet. We cannot even draw a game. I'm done, Bafethu. Nah. Get this fraud out of my club. And get that Mashilwane out of the lineup. Get him away from the lineup. Get him away from the bench. Mbuyisele kuma-stairs. Buyisa the OGs. You can even bring back Ushandu. I don't even rate Ushandu. You can even bring back Utoki. I don't rate Utoki. That's how bad and how low the standards are at Orlando Pirates for Fitz. Why ubench Mfukeng? Why? Why are you benching Mfukeng, our best creative player, dangerous player of the season, Orlando Pirates player of the season, young player of the season in South Africa, the best youngster in South Africa. You got what you deserved. Laba bamfollowayo lo Absalom lo Absalom Uwadua lo. You got what you deserve. Now you gotta pay for your crimes. Nisazompeka lo muntu lo. Are you still backing him? Are you ready for the game against the Sundowns? Sundowns won 2-0, by the way. We are now how many points behind the Sundowns? Oh, I know. 4. We are 4 points behind the Sundowns. Already 2 games down the drain. 4 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. Really? Pirates, are we in a triangle race, Bafethu? Say we win a league. We are not winning shit. Uwadua, Absalom, get the hell out of this club. Orlando Pirates, do what's right. Mthatheni lo muntu lo nimfake escapeni nimbuyise eMorocco, nimbuyisele back eMorocco, eWydad, eCasablanca. La kusemzansi la. This is Orlando Pirates. We cannot go down like this, Bafethu. We are shit. Get this guy out of my club. I'm done. Nyancela. Please. Orlando Pirates. Tomorrow, I want breaking news. Absalom is gone. I don't care. Pay him out or he resigns. Whoever appointed this guy, and I know it's not Ukoza, whoever appointed this guy, you need to now. Now you need the sacking. Now you need to go. The standards are low at this club at this point, Bafit. The standards are low. They've been put low, low, low. Orlando Pirates, do the right thing tomorrow morning. Sack this fraud. Sack this scam of a guy. Sack this terrorist. Absalom, you are done. Go, Baba. Chai. Bye.